Hello students, we'll work on the new application known as Age Calculator. Click on the Start New Project and give the name of your application. So here I'm providing Age Calculator. Press OK and the application will be added on your screen. So my screen has been displayed. Here I'll have the name of my application, title of the application of the screen as Age Calculator. Fine. See, there is the name of Age Calculator. First of all, I'll have the background color as black. So select the background color. The screen background color has been changed. Now, I want to have my date of birth. I'll select my date of birth, then I'll select the current date, and after that we'll have one button which will calculate the age, right? And the age will be displayed on the label. So for this, I'm going to have one layout. The layout will be like this. I need something with vertical arrangement. So I'm dragging one vertical arrangement. I'm going to make its height as fill parent, width as fill parent, default color as none, and the arrangement horizontal alignment as center. Fine. So I have changed the properties of my vertical arrangement. Now I want first, I'll put one horizontal arrangement inside the vertical arrangement, and I'm going to change the width as fill parent, and I'll make it with no background. I'll click on the user interface and I'll select one date picker, and then I'll have one label. I'm going to put this label inside my horizontal arrangement. Now, first of all, I'll have this date picker and I'll change some of the properties. So in the date picker 1, I'm going to give the text as select your date of birth, and for the label I'm going to have the text as date of birth. Change the color of your label, and then I'm going to change few of the options of my date selector. So for this, I'll have the background color as black. I have to choose the black color, and then I'll select the text color as magenta, and font size will be 20. Fine. Here when I select the label, I can have the font size as 25 so that it will have proper alignment, or you can have it as 30. Okay, fine. So in this way, when I select my date of birth, that should be displayed in this label. Now I'm going to have one more horizontal arrangement. So I'll drag the horizontal arrangement here and have it with fill parent. I'll have as none the background color, and then I'll select one more date picker, that is this, and then I'll have one label. here. So select have same properties on these two things. I'll select the background color as black, the text color as orange, and then the size as 20. Fine, you can have current date, and then select the label, make it 30 and have the text as date and give the color as magenta. Fine. You can have these two things like this. Now next thing I want to have on my screen will be a button. So I'll drag one button and put it here. Select that button and have few of the properties, like I'm going to change the color as green. I'll make the font bold, italic, and make the size of this button as 20. Typeface should be serif. Then I'll have the text as calculate age, and it will be like this, and shape will be oval. You can have it as a fill parent. So you have your particular application age calculate. So we can have one label here like this, and we can change the text as calculate your exact age. Fine. Select the color of this like red and change the size as 20, or you can have little more size like this. So calculate your exact age, select your date of birth, current date, and you can have these kind of things. Then calculate age is a button on which you will press this button, and then your age should be displayed. Now where this age should be displayed? On a label. So select one more label and put it here and change the properties. I'm going to have light gray for this. In the text you can have your exact age is. Fine. You can change the size to 30 like this. So this is the basic designing of my age calculator. Fine. In the next video we'll do the coding part. Stay tuned.